Let's study the multiplication table from 6 to 10. 6 times table. When you multiply 6 by an even number, they both end in the same digit. Examples: 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 7 times table. Seven times table. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. 8 times table. To multiply by 8, double the number again, double the number again, double the number. Example: if we have to find 8 into 4, then we will do double of 4, that is 8 again, double, that is 16 again, double, that is 32. So 8 into 4 is 32. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 9 times table. To multiply by 9, first multiply the number by 10, then minus the number itself, which is to be multiplied. Example: if we have to find 9 into 3, then we will do 10 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. 10 times table. Multiplying by 10 is equivalent to adding a 0 to the end of a number. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. Here you can see all the tables from 6 to 10. Subscribe, like,